Andrea, you know how bubbles are amazing?
Yeah.
Well, did you know that blowing bubbles can calm you down when you feel upset, stressed, or anxious?
No?
See? So next time you're upset, all you need to do is inhale deeply and exhale slowly like you're blowing through a bubble wand.
Well, it just so happens that I am upset because I lost one of my cheery earrings.
No!
Good thing I always carry around bubbles with me. Let's do this.
Perfecto. Okay, inhale. And exhale, slowly blowing the bubbles. Awesome! Okay, again, inhale. Exhale. Inhala. Exhala. Inhala. Exhala. Inhala. Exhala. Inhala. Exhala. Inhala. Exhala. Inhala. Exhala. Inhala. Exhala.
Wow, that was amazing. I feel so much better. Who cares about a silly earring?
Yeah.
Gracias, Sylvia.
De nada, Andrea. And I'm so happy you feel better because you're the best.
No, you are.
No, you are.
Thank you.